Hey Mike, how's it going? My name is Paul. I'm with East Wind SEO, and I am going to go over a few tips real quick on how to improve your online presence. You spoke with Nathan earlier about this video, and those three tips I'm going to go over are content citations and backlinks, all of which will help improve traffic to your online presence and your website. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. I have your website pulled up right here. If you take a look in the browser, you will notice it says not secure. So that is definitely something you would want to address. You want to get your SSL license that or certificate. I'm sorry, and that's going to be your secure socket layer. Basically, that just means when somebody accesses your website and it connects to a server, that there is a secure connection between, your website and the server for a customer to come on your website, and it also keeps you guys from getting hacked or anything like that. It's generally easy to obtain. You can usually get it through your domain registrar, and it's not expensive. Definitely something I would want to get checked out. So moving on from that, let's go ahead and talk about your website. It's a nice looking website. You got your click to call button here, contact us, we email, another button right there. Nice big logo. As we move down, we see some nice pictures, attractive to the eye. It draws people in, right? But I will definitely say you guys are lacking content. And the reason I say that is, Google loves content. They want to crawl content. They're going to go through all the content on your website. So we always recommend at least 1,500 words of content, on the homepage of our clients, because when Google crawls through that website, they're going to look for the information about your business. It's going to tell them, or they're looking for, where it is you offer your services, what services you offer, all the stuff that you do as, a business. And that's going to help them determine where to place you on the search results. So we want to go after buyer intent keywords, and that's going to be anything that somebody's going to put into Google as a search for a product or a service. Also, by having those keywords, repeatedly show up in your content, it's going to help you guys show up more often in searches when people search for those keywords. So if we go ahead and move on to a Google search, you're going to see ads right here, right? Usually the first thing that pop up. Ads are a great way to get in front of potential clients, because it allows you to target a specific audience. So you can definitely see some really good results from running a good ad campaign. Next, as we move on down, we're going to see the map pack, the Google map pack. This is the top three right here, a place you definitely want your Google business profile to be in. So to get up in that top three, you want your Google business profile filled out as much and as accurately as possible with all of your business information. You want to get pictures on there. You want to get those pictures geotagged. Everything that involves optimizing, for SEO. And then you want to put all that into online directories, right? So that's going to be anything like Yelp or Yellow Pages, Angie's List, anything like that. There are hundreds of online directories, to get your info into, and you want to get citations back from that, right? That's the goal we're after, get citations. And basically, to get in this top three, you want to have more citations than your competition that are showing up in that top three map pack. Moving on down, the organic search results, another place you want to be at the top of, right? So if we, you usually will see some directories up here, not too concerned about them. The main goal would be to outrank your competition. If we take a look real quick at a search, or not a search, but a tool that I use called Ahrefs, and that's, just a tool I use to look at how a website is performing, all the ins and outs. It also helps me make kind of like a roadmap on what I can do to outrank my competition or a client's competition or anything like that. As we can see, not a whole lot of info coming in through your site. Normally your UR and DR, those are things we want to take a look at. UR being a trust rating, or how trustworthy your website is according to Google. a DR being a power rating, or how powerful your website is. Those two numbers are going to be directly linked, to your website, and also your backlinks. So a backlink is going to be anything that links back to your website from an outside source, like maybe a comment blog or another website or anything like that. The key goal here is to have quality backlinks linking back to your site. And by that, I mean you want websites linking back to you that are relevant to your service industry. You don't want random websites linking back to you. Those are going to come across as spammy in Google's eyes. Definitely could hurt your UR and DR number. Also, your ranking ability in, the search results. As we can see, you're not showing up for anything. You don't have any organic keywords, and you're not getting any traffic. This is why I stress the importance of having content. That way you can be found for those keywords, right? And it's going to direct a lot more traffic to your website, because you're going to start showing up in more searches as people search for your services. That's only going to get you more traffic. It's going to get you more business. So that's what we're going after here, is increasing business through use of your online presence. So those 3 tips are definitely something that you guys could implement yourself, or you can always reach out to us for more information. You can definitely see some good results just by using these 3 tips. But I will link our contact info in this video, as well as in the email I send out to you guys. And we really appreciate you guys taking the time to check out this video. It means a lot to us, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.